Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here we are again with a relationship topic. So जब मैंने दूसरे दो videos बनाए थे, which was about signs that it's a true love and boys' assumption, I really got a good response by you guys saying that you want to see more relationship videos, some more concept about it. So here we are again with a concept called it's a one-sided love. So the thing is जब हम love के relationship के when we are into the whole journey we are not a person who accepts like okay, this is not something truly love looks like or this is the signs of true love kind of stuff. So हम उस flow में कहीं पे भी चले जाते हैं, like चाहे people make us their slave or beat, or not beat we can say, but we can say the restrictions that some people give, definitely they give in a relationship. So हम उन सब relationships को भी love ही समझ लेते हैं. We don't discriminate between what's true love is, what's not true love is, because we are into those emotional stage of our life. So yes, this video will be talking about the signs that it will say that it's a one-sided love. So yes, if at all you or your friend or somebody you know is going through these things, share करो without saying, because उनको कितना भी बोले वो नहीं समझने वाले. So yes, the most important thing जो सब लोग बोलते हैं कि your partner must be or is, love is all about when your partner is not your partner but your half soulmate. So yes, when it comes to soulmate or when it comes to your partner, you must be so much open with that partner. There must be so much of transparency that there must not be any hesitation when you want to speak to your partner. But sometimes it happens that आपको कुछ बोलना हो but you hesitate by telling to your partner, thinking the most any things, any stuff, overthinking yourself, and thinking that no, I won't be able to say. Or if at all you said to your partner as well, you feel guilt about why did I said, because I didn't got any reaction, or that person is not listening, or that person is not not interested in my problem or not interested in me kind of stuff. Then understand that you need to stop yourself from narrating your stories to your partner as well. And you need to understand that what you are going through is you are going through alone, or you are going through with your partner. Love, happiness, emotional stuff always needs to be distributed between you and your partner. चाहे वो खुशी हो, चाहे वो गम हो, any depression as well, that somewhere is called as that somebody, it's called as your soulmate. You cannot call anybody your soulmate, right? So yes, coming to the next important thing is restrictions that most people do. Most people try to put on your partner, or on themselves as well, because when we are into true love, when we are into the journey of love, we think कि दूसरों की खुशी सब होती है. Yes, I agree. Your partner's happiness is everything for you. But the thing is, you cannot restrict yourself from doing something that you really love. If at all your partner is also having some problem from it, try to communicate and solve it better than leaving it and entering into a whole new world. It's better to communicate. It's better to make them understand that this is something. The most important thing, the best important thing is you speaking, you communicating, because that is the only source of you guys making more love, else than ending up from nowhere. So yes, the most important thing is restrictions as well. Many people try to put restrictions. It has no sense. Like, they would leave, and you must leave as well if at all you are in a restrictions. End of the topic. I really say this to everybody whom I meet and who are under these all things going around. So yes, coming to the next important thing, and the best and the most important thing, is efforts from both the side. I really believe that if at all you are in a relationship, the efforts must be from both the side. It must not be from boys side high, from girl side low, or from girl side high and boys side low. No, it must be equal, because you both are in love, and that's the meaning of true love is. So yes, these are the most important thing. But yes, apart from this, I would surely say, and I will surely tell everybody, that if at all you are into a mental peace, if at all you are into a peaceful world, peaceful scenario, peaceful environment, then understand कि वो प्यार है. But if at all you are losing your mental health, and you are being into a relationship, you are being disturbed always, you are being, depressed always, being in a relationship, when these factors arises, you might be going into a depression, being in with your partner as well, then समझ जाओ कि you need to always choose your mental peace first and then any relationship. Better to communicate and solve the problem if at all you are both in love, or else leave. I would surely say this. It's not easy to leave, but the thing is, better from suffering, making yourself suffer, is to take a step. I really think this. So yes guys, if at all you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and yes, most importantly, share this video with those friends who don't understand, who don't take your opinion by saying that nahi yaar chhod do. They don't take. They say that no, it's something is true love. But tell them the difference between true love and difference between it's a one-sided